Welcome to the Spinoso Podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Alex Spinoso. I have built multiple 7, 8, and 9-figure medical companies, and I'm here to share exactly how I did it. This isn't a podcast where I tell you you should do this. It's a podcast telling you what I did. I want to help you build your business, take ownership of your life, and become a better leader at home and at work. So today we're going to talk a little bit about one of my short-lived passions, shoes. I love shoes, always have. I don't care how tired I am, how broke I've been, or how many spreadsheets are trying to kill me. If I'm laced up in a sweet pair of Nikes, I feel like I could run the world. So naturally, I read Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, the guy who created Nike. And I expected business strategy, founder stories, cool anecdotes about Air Jordans, but what I didn't expect was to find out that Phil Knight, the man behind one of the most iconic brands in human history, struggled every single day with imposter syndrome. Like, deeply struggling with it. This dude has built a global empire out of a crazy idea, stared down lawsuits, battled banks, went to war with competitors, and still felt like he didn't belong in the ring. You know what that did to me? That made me think in the best way. Let me get personal for a second. I'm short. Started losing my hair before I had the money to buy it back. And I'd rather rebuild your clinic's P&L from scratch than try and survive a networking event with small talk about the weather and someone's labradoodle. Talking to women? Absolute fucking nightmare. Talking to investors? That's pretty easy for me. I'm the kind of person who builds your business from the ground up, but I'll panic if you put me at a dinner table with strangers and ask me where I'm from. So yeah, imposter syndrome, we go weigh that with each other. But here's what I've learned from Phil Knight and from my own journey. Imposter syndrome doesn't disqualify you. It defines you. It means you're in the deep end. It means you're building something that scares you in the best possible way. It means you give a damn. And the key is, don't let the imposter syndrome stop you. Because Phil didn't. He didn't wait until he had the confidence. He just kept moving. He sold shoes out of the trunk of his vehicle, and he built slowly, honestly, scrappily. He stared down pressure and he didn't buckle. That's the blueprint. So if you're building a business and part of you feels like you're just faking it till you make it, guess what? We all are. Nike was an absolute dumpster fire more than once. All the great companies are. Knight was on the verge of collapse more times than he could count, but he kept going. Because relentless pressure is what forges real brands and real leaders. So yeah, I love shoes. But what I love more is knowing that the guy who made my favorite pair of Nikes felt like I do sometimes. Unqualified, outmatched, and a little scared. But he still showed up every day. He still built, he still won. And if he can, so can you. So throw on your sneakers, get out of your head, and yes, I'm going to say it, just do it.